Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As yesterday we studied about the kinds of sentence. It was consist on declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence. We got a bird's eye view of these sentences. So today, as yesterday I told you that tomorrow we will study about the sentence structure. So here, these are some sentences which are wrong. And as I have written above, what is wrong with these sentences and why? These sentences are wrong, but why? We have to know that why these sentences are wrong, and we have to find the grammatical mistakes in these sentences. So, if you watch the full series or the full videos about the sentence structure, you will come to know that how to correct these sentences. As our first sentence is, the train stopped not. And the second sentence is, I like very much mushrooms. And the third one is, when you are leaving. And the fourth one is, what does the boss wants? And the fifth is, I like not this soap. And I did not thought it mattered. And expect not quick results. It is important to don't worry. These are the sentences and they are wrong. And there's a problem in their structure. So if we do not know about the structure of sentence, we do not write, we cannot write a good sentence. As if you are sitting in any examination hall, you have to correct the sentences. There was a portion, if you find there was a portion of sentence which consists of the sentence correction, or it also matter in the writing. If you want to become a good writer, if you want to just like appear the competitive exam and qualify this exam, this English matter, because English is very important to clear these kind of exams. So I am going to tell you about the first part of the sentence structure, and it will become on basic word order for the English classes. So let's have, it is a sentence structure. So the basic word order. What should be the basic word order for the clauses in English? Or for the positive statement, for the negative statement, for the questions, we have to know, or we have to learn about the structure, that how to write a positive statement in English, how to write a negative statement in English, how to ask a question in English. So let's come to the point, sentence structure and basic word order. The basic word order for English classes in the positive statement is, so subject plus verb plus complement or object. So just like it is the structure, or it is the word order for the positive statements. But subject, verb, object or complement. So first of all, we have to know that what is subject, what is verb, what is complement, and what is object. So first of all, what is subject? We define subject. Some of our teachers, our friends define the subject in this way that the doer of an action. It is the definition of subject, but it is a not correct definition of the subject, because if I'm going to write I am a teacher. So how I'm not just like working in this sentence. There's no my action is shown in this sentence. So the correct definition of sentence is that a noun or pronoun which is spoken about in the sentence. A noun or pronoun which is spoken about in the sentence, it is called a subject. And what is object? Object, or what is verb? One of the main parts of a sentence that expresses an action. What is verb? One of the main parts of the sentence which expresses an action, it is called a verb. And what is object? We simply define the object in this way, the part of sentence on which verb is done, it is not a object. And the third one is complement. Complement, we could define complement in this way: a word or a group of words which makes complete. A word or group of words added to a sentence to complete its meaning or to complete the sentence. Just like it is written here, a word or a group of words added to a sentence to make it complete. It is the definition of a complement. But a word or a group of words which added to a sentence to complete it is known as a complement. For example, now I am going to take the example of the basic word order for the positive statement. Now the sentence is written here: she smiled. What? She smiled. She is a subject of the sentence and smile is a verb of the sentence. So how we know that it is a subject and it is a verb? So as we have discussed about the definition of a subject, that she is smile. Now she is spoken about in the sentence. So this is why we say that she is the subject. And smile, what is smile? Smile is a verb. So how we know that smile is a verb in this sentence? As we have defined, one of the main parts of the sentence that expresses an action, this is known as smile. What does she do? She smiled. So this is why we know, we say that it is a verb of the sentence. And the second example is same is a doctor. Same is a doctor. So same is the subject of the sentence, is the verb, and the doctor is a object. So how we have discussed about that it is the subject because it is spoken about in the sentence, and it is a verb and it is a object of the sentence. Thank you very much.